So hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make role categories in Discord. And first, what you want to do is click on this on the top left corner here and go to server settings. Once you're there, click on roles under overview, and now you need to create a role. And to do that, you just need to click on this. You can name it bot and change its color, save changes. Don't forget to open the display role members separately from online members. So this is the button or feature that will help you categorize your members and bots. So just click on that, save changes, come back and make sure that that particular role is above all other roles, so that, or it depends on what position you want it to be. So for me, I want it to be at the very top, for example. Just click on save changes. And once you add a bot or something to that, so let's add this bot to that bot role. As you can see, it went up at above all others, and now you can categorize your bots and members. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because I'll reach more people. See you on the next one.